Look at this light bulb. It lights up your room, right? Boring. But what if I told you this ordinary light bulb could download a 4K movie to your phone in just 3 seconds? Forget Wi-Fi. It's time to meet its faster, brighter cousin. Let's open the Sketchbook. Okay, remember our Wi-Fi traffic jam? We learned that Wi-Fi uses radio waves. They are like ghosts. They go through walls, but they get crowded easily. Now, imagine we ditch the radio and use light. This is called Li-Fi. Here is how it works. Imagine you have a friend standing on a roof with a super powerful flashlight. If he wants to send you a secret message, he can click the flashlight on and off. Click, click, click. That's Morse code. Long flash, short flash. Bleep, bloop. Li-Fi does exactly the same thing, but there's a twist. The LED bulb in your room is flickering on and off millions of times per second. It is happening so fast that your human eyes can't see it. To you, it just looks like a steady light. But your smartphone camera? It sees the flashes, it reads the code, and boom, you have the internet. So why should you care? Because light is fast. Wi-Fi is like a normal car. Li-Fi is a rocket ship. Tests show Li-Fi can be 100 times faster than Wi-Fi. You could download your entire video game library while you brush your teeth. But wait, there is a catch. It's like a vampire, but the opposite. It hates shadows. Since light cannot go through walls, if you leave the room, you lose the connection. If you put your phone in your pocket, connection lost. It sounds bad, right? Actually, it's a genius for security. A hacker parked in a van outside your house can steal your Wi-Fi, but he can't steal your Li-Fi because the light can't get out through the curtains. Your data stays in the room. So, is Li-Fi going to kill Wi-Fi? Probably not. They are going to be best friends. Wi-Fi covers the whole house, and Li-Fi gives you super speed at your desk. Here is a thought experiment for you today. Look at the LED bulb above you right now. Imagine if every light in your city, street lights, car headlights, store signs, became a data transmitter. Would we ever lose signal again? Let me know in the comments. So, catch you on the next page of Leo's sketchbook with full of amazing technology. Stay curious with Eureka Village.